Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to my channel Be Inspired. In this channel we are seeing here retirement portfolio today, August 22nd. So in this you are able to see two things. One is mobile apps and the other one is asset allocation and the other one is invested vehicle. So here the mobile apps, the one app is Kuvera and the other app is Upstocks. Kuvera and Upstocks both are online platforms for mutual funds investments in India. It is operated by Arvek Advisory Services Private Limited, a company headquartered in Bangalore. Kuvera positions itself as a wealth management platform for individual investors and offers investment in direct mutual funds without any fees or commissions. So let us know something about. So Upstocks is the brand name of RKSV and it is one of the India's fastest growing retail broking firms. The company allows retail investors in India to invest in stocks, futures, options, currencies and commodities at lower rates compared to traditional full service brokers, and it is headquartered in Bombay, Bombay, and holds membership with NSE, BSE, MCX and MCXSX. So coming to this, you are able to see here two different kinds of charts. One is pie chart and the other one is called bar chart. Coming to this pie chart, starting from my investment, I invested 59.4% in Upstocks, which is the highest amount, and I invested 40.6% in Kuvera. And coming to the second pie chart, these are called invested vehicles, that is MF is nothing but mutual funds, stocks and ETF. So based on this pie chart, what this pie chart is saying for you is the highest I invested in ETF, that is 56.5%, second highest I invested in mutual funds, that is 40.6%, and the least I invested in stocks, that is 2.9%. Coming to the third one, it is saying about asset allocation, and the highest I invested is 90.1% in equities and the least I invested in bonds, that is 9.9%. This pie chart is saying about my investments. Coming to the bar graph, this bar graph is starting from my investment. It is saying that in the highest in Upstocks I got this is percentage of profit from my investment time. So in Upstocks I got 23.67% highest profit, whereas in Kuvera I got 18.49% highest profit percentage. And coming to this invested vehicle, among all this I got highest investment in stocks, that is highest profit I got in ETF, that is 23.68%, and second highest profit I got in stocks, that is 23.45%, and the least third highest I got in mutual funds, that is 18.49%. This is about percentage change from my investment based on the asset allocation. So the highest profit I earned in equities, that is 23.76%, and the second highest profit I got in bonds, that is 1.57%. Now if I'll compare these two charts, what will happen is, see, in pie chart I invested highest in Upstocks, that is 59.4%. in the same way I got the highest in Upstocks, I got highest profit even in Upstocks only. And coming to the second pie chart and second bar graph, the highest I invested in ETF, so here also I got highest profit in ETF, that is 23.68%, but whereas I invested least in stocks, that is 2.9%, but it is showing the second highest profit, that is 23.45%, whereas I invested second highest in mutual funds, but I got the third least profit in mutual funds. Coming to the third one, asset allocation, pie graph and bar graph, and the highest I invested in equities, that is 90.1%, and the same way I got highest percentage in equities only, that is 23.76%. least I invested in bonds, so the same way I got least profit in bonds, that is 1.57%. overall these two are showing how much amount I invested from my investment time. And coming to this two bar graphs, and this bar graph is saying that it is the percentage change from last week to this week, means August 15th to August 22nd. So what it is saying that Kuvera is showing a percentage of profit percentage of 0.73%, whereas Upstocks is showing a profit percentage of 2.01%. So highest profit percentage from last week to this week is in mobile applications, that is Upstocks 2.01%. Coming to the second one, invested vehicle, percentage change from the last week August 15th to August 22nd. So the highest profit I earned from last week to this week is stocks, that is 2.15%. Second highest profit I got from last week to this week is ETF, that is 2.01%. Least profit I got in mutual funds from last week to this week, that is 0.73%. And coming to the asset allocation, in equities I got highest profit from last week to this week, that is 1.62%. In bonds I got least profit from last week to this week, that is 0.16%. So when you compare these two graphs, the highest I invested, the highest profit I am earning, whereas the least I invested, coming to this invested vehicle, the least I invested, I got the second highest profit. So when compared to last week to this week, I got highest profit in stocks. So these are the three stocks I have. One is Asian Paints, ITC and Reliance. So this is the highest, this is the profit percentage change from last week to this week. Asian Paints is showing very highest profit, so that is the reason, and Reliance is showing loss of 1.51%. Even though I have a loss among the three stocks, but I got profit of 2.15% because Asian Paints is showing very highest profit, because in these days construction business is running a lot, so that is the reason Asian Paints got very good profit. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.